What is a VPN? Alex from Tidbit Takeaways, and today we're diving into the world of VPNs. If you've heard the term but aren't quite sure what it means, you're in the right place. Let's explore what a VPN is and how it can benefit you. So what exactly is a VPN? VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It's a technology that allows you to create a secure connection over the internet, giving you privacy and anonymity online. How does a VPN work? Think of a VPN as a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. When you connect to a VPN server, your internet traffic is encrypted and routed through that server. This encryption protects your data from hackers, ISPs, and other prying eyes, ensuring that your online activities remain private and secure. Now, let's talk about some key features of VPNs. 1. Online privacy. With a VPN, your internet connection is encrypted, safeguarding your browsing history, online activities, and personal information from prying eyes. 2. Bypass geo-restrictions. With a VPN, you can bypass geo-restrictions and access websites, streaming services, and social media platforms from anywhere in the world. 3. Secure public Wi-Fi. VPNs are essential for securing your connection when using public Wi-Fi hotspots, protecting your data from potential threats and cyber attacks. 4. Avoid bandwidth throttling. VPNs can help you avoid bandwidth throttling by encrypting your internet traffic, making it difficult for ISPs to monitor and slow down your connection based on your online activities. 5. Protect your identity. By masking your IP address and routing your internet traffic through VPN servers, VPNs help protect your identity and location online, adding an extra layer of security and anonymity. And that pretty much covers it. VPN is a powerful tool that provides privacy, security, and freedom online. Whether you're concerned about online privacy, accessing geo-blocked content, or securing your connection on public Wi-Fi, VPN has got you covered. Stay tuned for more tech tips and insights from Tidbit Takeaways. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and secure online.